Hi guys, welcome to my channel. So this is a new personal project, this YouTube channel. So I started like 3 years ago posting a couple of like personal growth videos, like self improvement and things like that on this channel, and I just stopped because I had too many other things going on. But I am back and I'm very excited to start a new journey with you guys here. It's almost the new year 2025, so I really wanted to finally dive into this passion project of mine, which is to go on my own self-care journey and grow, but also share the experience with you and inspire you to come along with me and do the same. So in today's video, I'm just kind of reintroducing myself, the channel, and what you can expect from me in the coming weeks as I prepare some new videos for you guys here. So if you're not already subscribed, please subscribe if you're interested in self-care and personal growth tips, tricks, and motivation. So my name is Audrey. I am 32 years old. I'm a mom of 2, and I am finally feeling like I'm in the right place to be able to take my self-care and my personal growth back in control after having 2 kids. So my oldest is almost 5. My youngest just turned 2 in September. So we're getting out of the baby stage, and I'm finally feeling like I'm ready to focus on myself again. It's been a long time of me devoting everything to them. I also work full-time as well, so I'm pretty busy. So I felt like I really wanted to finally take the time to do all the things that I wanted to do for myself. And one of those things is to just shift my mindset, because I feel like there's been so many times where I'm like watching a video of somebody and I'm like, oh wow, they get to do all this like morning routine, self-care, they're improving, they look great, they're amazing. But that's because they don't have kids, they have time, like they can do it. But I'm here to finally stop the excuses. Like, yes, I have kids, but I also can prioritize different things in my life. So last week, I deleted Instagram and TikTok off my phone because I kept doom scrolling, and I was like, girl, if you want to be serious about taking care of yourself and making time for yourself and feeling like you're actually gonna progress in all the things that you want to do, you need to get off social media. So delete, it's gone, and I'm very like excited about that. I feel good like not being on the apps all the time, but I'm just excited to take all the energy that I was wasting scrolling and use it to make videos on this channel, and also to, like I said, go along this journey with you. So I'm documenting everything. So I will make, I think in my next video, I'm going to make a video where I talk about all the goals that I want to accomplish in the next year. So it'll be kind of a way for me to reflect at the end of the year and see where I'm at. So right now it is December 8th, 2024. So we have a few more weeks until 2025, which is why I'm trying to get a jump start. And I've got my new planner. Oh my God, look at this, you guys. This is so cute. I got this at Marshall's, and this is the year I'm gonna actually use it, because I had one that looked just like this, only it had bees on the front. It's actually in the drawer there. I used it for like a month, and then I fell off and I never used it again, and it was such a waste. So I'm definitely gonna use this year, and I'm really excited. I'm doing journaling every day, so that's been a good way to like clear my head and make me feel balanced and ready to take on my day. So I've been doing that. I'm a little sick, by the way, so if I sound weird, it's because I'm sick. But I just didn't want to wait to start making this video and starting this channel again, because honestly, let me tell you, I was so excited, and then like a day later I freaked out. So I'm gonna share with you guys real quick. So when I first started thinking about this, I literally was writing, because I have another YouTube channel. It has 120 something thousand subscribers. But I felt like at this point in my life, I've kind of outgrown that channel a bit. Like, it's not really the direction I want to go anymore. I used to do family vlogs, but now I don't put my kids on anymore. And like, I've just got sick of the type of content I was making there. And I felt like if I tried to shift in a different direction on that channel, it just wouldn't work, because all my previous content for literally like 7 years has been a different niche. So I just didn't feel like dealing with it. It wasn't making me happy anymore. So I'm kind of phasing out of my main channel, and this is my new channel. So I got so excited, I literally wrote like channel name. I have nothing written because I'm like, I don't really know what to name my channel. So it's still my name. I don't think I'll change it, at least not for now. But the topic is self-care and personal growth. That's what I'm really excited about. And the subtopics that I'll be talking about on this channel are affirmations, manifestation, positive mindset, life lessons, self-care, transformations and journey, journaling and reflection. So it's kind of like a mixed bag of all things that are positive, uplifting, bringing me to a better version of myself, and hopefully helping you to do the same thing if you want to come along with me. So it was so funny because I literally wrote like all this stuff, like I wanted to make this channel about like all the things I mentioned. But my mission is to help women who feel stuck and want to improve themselves in their lives, but they're busy and they don't really put themselves first, because I have experienced that in the last 5 years where I've been putting everybody else before myself, and then I don't take care of myself, and then I'm stressed and freaking out and I don't meet my goals because it's just stressful. So that's kind of my vision. But then literally, like I wrote all these ideas down, and then literally the next day I was like, who's gonna watch this? Will they care? Am I even qualified to do this? What if I start a few videos and then I give up? Other people do videos like this and they're so good. Who would care to watch mine? Like, am I gonna actually be able to be interesting and make good videos? And then I did what I like to do when I'm journaling. I countered every one of those negative thoughts and fears with positive, and hopefully that will be enough for me to get going. I literally was like, just like, I said, girl, you most definitely can learn how to edit your videos to be more engaging. Like, girl, you got this. So yeah, I kind of was hyping myself up here. And then every day passed by. So this was on the 3rd. So it's been almost a week since I wrote this. Literally every day that passes by, I keep thinking, I can't wait to film a video for my channel. But I have to wait until like this, that, and the other thing. Guys, it is 7:20 p.m. My kids are downstairs screaming. You might be able to hear them in the background. They're with my husband playing, like, they have the Google Music playing and they're dancing. My room is not like aesthetic, okay? This is my house. This is real life. And I am filming by the light of Christmas lights around my desk, which gives me a nice glow. But like, before I was like, oh, I really can't wait to start this channel. I can't wait to film videos for this and share everything. And then I was like, well, I gotta wait till it's like this time of day, or I have to film it here, do this, do that, do this, do that. And then I said, girl, stop it right now. Sit your bum down and film a video. Your kids are downstairs, you got 20 minutes, make a little vid, and then edit it tomorrow. Get it on your channel and get excited, because the more I wait, the more I'm like second guessing myself and feeling nervous about doing this at all. So I don't know how many of you are watching from my main channel. If you're here from the main channel and you're disappointed to hear that the main channel is going to be phased out, I am sorry, but I will be here and you can still follow me here. It's just a little bit different. And I didn't like the fact that I was posting videos on my main channel and people, like, if I tried to do something like this, people didn't like it. They said, hey, where's the regular content that we subscribed for? You know? And I get it. I get it. You subscribe for one thing, and then if I start posting something else, you're like, what the heck? What's going on? So yes, hopefully I can reach a new audience here on this channel, because I'm really looking forward to connecting with like-minded people, you know, fellow Virgos who want to improve your life, get going, get motivated, other moms out there who need a little push to start and to continue. You know, like, you can rely on me as your partner in this journey. I don't know. This is so unscripted right now, and I don't even know if I'm making any sense, but I'll probably shut up now because it's been almost 10 minutes and I just want to edit this, throw it up tomorrow, and see what happens. But anyways, I hope you guys are excited, because this really is a passion of mine. I've always been somebody who likes helping others and always have loved journaling, improving myself, etc. And like, over the past 3 years, I have also been in therapy, and I feel like that has helped me a lot in so many ways. So I'm just hoping that I can use all the skills that I've learned and trial and error to see what also works for me, share it with you, and we can all go on this journey together. So please subscribe if you are interested in staying tuned and seeing what I have in store. I've got so many video ideas and I just can't wait to start filming them. I'm gonna try and film again this week maybe, so that we can get hit the ground running with these videos. But anyways, give it a thumbs up if you are excited, and I appreciate your love and support. So leave a comment down below and let me know, like, what's one thing in your life you would love to improve this year 2025. Just one. Like, let's not get crazy making 10 goals. One goal that you have for 2025 that you want some support to complete. I am still trying to decide my goals, so I will wait and tell you that in the next video. So see you guys later. Bye!